Hello everyone, good morning. Today I am going to solve exercise 7.1 third problem. First and second problem I have already explained in the video 1. First watch those two problems and solve this problem. Third problem, given that a comma b and minus a comma minus b. Solution, first name the given point, that is a of a comma b and b of minus a comma minus b. First consider this a comma b as a x1 comma y1 and minus a and minus b as a x2 comma y2. We know that distance formula ab is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Given that x2 as minus a, just substitute the value of x2, y2 and x1, y1 in the formula. x2 is minus a minus x1 is a whole square plus y2 is minus b minus y1 is b whole square. Square root of, I already explained that minus into minus is plus, you have to add, that is minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. Square root of, take it 2 whole square is 4a square plus 4b square. Take it 4 common in those two, that is a square plus b square. ab is equal to, separate this square root of 4 and square root of a square plus b square. That is square root of 4 is 2 into square root of a square plus b square. This implies that ab is equal to square root of 2 into square root of a square plus b square. Next problem. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. Solution, first step is to name the points, given points, that is a of 1, 5, b of 2, 3 and c of minus 2, minus 11. Okay. What do you mean by collinear? That I had explained in the video 1, so that you need to watch that video. Collinear means sum of 2 points AB plus BC equal to CA. Sum of the 2 points equal to the sum of the remaining point. Okay. First we need to find the AB. A of 1, 5, first step. B of 2, 3, that is x1, y1, x2, y2. AB is equal to, consider the distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is, here x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1, y2 is 3 minus 5 whole square. Square root of 2 minus 1 is 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. Square root of 1 plus 2 square minus 2 square is 4, that is plus 4. If we square the negative number, we get a positive only. Okay. Then square root of 5, that is AB is equal to 5. We need to solve remaining point BC and CA. Now BC, B of 2, 3 and C of minus 2 comma minus 11. Consider this as a x1, y1 and this as a x2 and y2. That is BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 11 minus y1 is 3 whole square. Minus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus minus, add these two, minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14 whole square. That is square root of minus 4 whole square. We know that minus 4 whole square can be written as minus 4 into minus 4, that is plus 16. Minus 14 whole square can be written as minus 14 into minus 14, that is plus 196. That is 16 plus 196, which is equal to 212 units. Okay. Now consider CA, point CA. C of minus 2 comma minus 11 and A of 1 comma 5. This has a x1 and a y1. Similarly, as you solved in before, CA is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is x2 is 1 minus x1 is minus 2. Write in within small bracket if minus will be there. 5 minus y1, write in small bracket, it has a minus sign. Don't get confused. 1 as it is. Here minus into minus is plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus into minus is plus 11 whole square. Square root of 1 plus 2 is 3 whole square plus 5 plus 11 is 16 whole square. 3 square is, we know that 3 square is 9. 16 square is 16 into 16, that is 256. Write down here 9 plus 256, that is 265 units. See. Okay. Now we need to check the given points are collinear. I had already shown in the equation AB plus BC equal to CA, then it is a collinear. Given points are collinear and ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Consider equation 1. That is AB plus BC equal to CA. Here AB is root 5 plus BC is 102 square root of 212. CA is 265. That is root 5 plus root 212 is root 217. Add these two. That is 212 plus 5 is 217. That is root 200 square root of 217, which is not equal to the CA value, that is square root of 265. Therefore the given points are not collinear. Next problem, third problem. Check next problem. Check whether 5 comma minus 2 comma 6 comma 4 and open interval 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Solution. First, learn what do you mean by isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means consider a triangle. If name this A, B, C. Okay. If any two sides of a triangle are equal, then it is said to be an isosceles triangle. Okay. First name the given point, that is A of 5 comma minus 2 and B of 6 comma 4 and C of 7 comma minus 2. First step, consider the 2 points A and B, that is A of 5 comma minus 2 and B of 6 comma 4. Name this given point x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. We know the distance formula AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 is 6 minus 5 plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2. Write in a within small bracket. If the minus sign will be there, write in a small bracket. You don't get confused. Whole square. 6 minus 5 is 1 whole square plus 4. Write 4 as it is. Multiply the sign. Minus into minus is plus 2 whole square. That is 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 6 whole square. 1 square is 1, right? 1 plus 6 square is 36. That is root 37. That is AB is equal to square root of 37 units. This you have to write. It is very important. Units is very important. If you miss to write, you will lose your marks. Next step, consider. In the next step, you have to consider BC. That is B of 6 comma 4, C of 7 comma minus 2. Here BC is x1 comma y1. This is as a x2 and y2. That is BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is square root of, here x2 is 7 minus x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is 4. Square root of 7 minus 6 is 1 whole square plus here minus 2 as it is minus 4 whole square. That is square root of 1 square is 1 plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square. That is 6 square is 36. BC is equal to root 37 units. Got it? Put a square bracket for the answer to highlight the answer. Next step, third step. In the third step, you need to consider CA. You need to consider CA points. C is equal to C of 7 comma minus 2 and A is 5 comma minus 2. This is x1, this is y1 and x2, y2. CA is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is square root of x2 is 5 minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is minus 2, y1 is minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole square plus minus 2. This is minus 2 into minus is plus 4. Plus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Here same number will be there but different sign. So it is 0. That is CA is root 4, that is 2 units. From equation as you solved before, AB and BC are same, but CE is 2 units here. Therefore AB is equal to BC equal to root 37 units. Therefore the given points are isosceles vertices of isosceles triangle.